Well, there's the baby robin. Just came out of the nest. Her nest was up there. She's learning to fly. So mama's right here somewhere. She'll be feeding. So the nest has got to be up here somewhere. There's only one baby. I only saw one baby come out. Yeah, that's a baby robin. You hear mama up there, so it must be up here in her tree. Shh. See, you can tell how young he is. Don't get near him. Stay back. No, you're not. See his tail? His tail feathers haven't grown yet. He just barely came out of the nest today. On the old freaking broke down lawnmower. No, stay. Stay. You gotta give them their room. Hear the mama? Shh, come here. Walk back here so the mama will come. We can watch the mama feed him. There's a mama. She's right over there. Might be another baby. That might even be another baby right there. They just flew out. I think it might be right over there. See him? So maybe there's two babies in there. Yeah, I think that's another baby. Come here. Shh. So they're just coming out of the nest. Now let's walk back here and see if we can see the nest. Must be way up high. Do you see the nest anywhere? Don't stop with the stick. Get back. Come on, get back so the mom will come back. Yeah, that's another baby, I think. Look at him fly. He took off flying way down there. So there's two babies. Mom's teaching them how to fly. He's getting brave, this one. We saw the mom feeding him this morning, huh? Okay, we'll start the video over.
I see a bee. I see a bee.
Yeah?
When that stings people, if you stay still, it won't sting. Hey, I see a bird flying. There's two birdies flying on that tree.
That looks like a baby. Come here. Allie, stay back. Come this way. Allie, don't spook him. Come on, this way. Let's go over and see if this other one. Come on, let's go see if this other one's a baby.